friends, I'm yet again back with one fun activity which my children enjoy doing the most is about the short vowels and the long vowel sounds. So here I have got some chocolates which are having different spellings written onto it, and now we'll read a few of them and put them into the bowls of for short vowel sounds and a long vowel sounds. So here we go with the first one, plain. Plain. It's a long sound, so we'll put it in the long bowl. Hen. Hen. It's going to the short sound. Pig. It's again a short sound. Cries. Cries. Long sound. Print. Short sound. Die. Long sound. Crab. Short sound. Oh, it's a big word. Toadstool. It's a long sound. Dew. Long sound. Trust. Short sound. Hope you enjoy this activity with your children. Bye bye.